Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to change the region in the App Store. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you, and if you have any questions. Please let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, and let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the App Store on the iPad or iPhone. After that, there is a search box, Application, Games we click today. In the upper right corner, we click on your profile. Your account appears here, and we click on your Apple ID. Now we will go through this download. Now we need to make Face ID work. If you have a password, you need to enter your password. Next, click on Country Region. Again, wait for the download to come up. For about 10-20 seconds. You need to wait for everything to load, and then we can change the region with you. But there is one condition. You must have all subscriptions on your phone turned off. So if you have a subscription to Apple Music or any other games or any other applications, you need to make sure that they are turned off first, and then you can change the region. Click Country Region again. You have to wait for it to download. It might freeze a little bit. So if it freezes, you log out. You log back in. It's downloading. Let's wait a little bit. Once it's downloaded, click Change Country or Region. And here we can change it to whatever you want. Once you've changed it, click Exit. And Exit. But most importantly, as I told you, you must disable all subscriptions. That is, if you have subscriptions to various Apple Music, Shazam, and so on. First, they must end. And only then you can change your region. If you like this video necessarily, subscribe to the channel. Like it. Write comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.